Okay, here we go. School time. We're going to practice, see what kind of grade you get today. All right, let's work on your commands. The first command is sit. Sit. Good boy, Milo. Sit. Good boy. The next command is down. Oh, here comes Lucy. Lucy, sit. Good girl. Let's get Lucy too. There's Lucy. Lucy's sitting too. Good girl. She won't take her treat though. Now we're going to work on down. Milo, can you do down? Lucy, down. Down. Lucy, you know this. Down. Milo, down. Down. Come on. Down. Good boy. Good boy. Now for the hard part. Ready? Milo. Sit. 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 Milo. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Sit. Good boy. Okay. Ready? Milo. Down. Down. Don't get distracted. Pay attention. Pay attention. Milo. Milo. Down. Down. Good boy. Down. There you go. Good boy. Okay. Milo. Milo. Sit. 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 Good boy. Okay, last time. Milo. Down. Down. Milo. Down. 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 Good boy. Good boy. Down. Okay. Hey, Milo. Milo. Sit. 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 Good girl, Lucy sitting. Good girl, Lucy. Here, Luce. She doesn't want it. You'll go like this then. Milo, sit. Sit. Come on. Come on. Milo, sit. 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 Milo, here's your grade. You ready for your grade? C minus. C minus. Well, let's practice it on the nose. Good boy. All right, one last treat, one last trick. This is going to be stay. You're sitting like a good boy. Stay. Stay. Up. Stay. Stay. Okay. Okay. Oh, Lucy got it. Stay. Okay. Okay, good boy. Okay. Okay. Good boy. Good boy. C minus. Hooray!